Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to use stitching on TikTok. It's a pretty simple method, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give our video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's start. Let's open the TikTok app and choose the video we want to use for our stitching. Stitching is basically the method where you choose the ending for someone else's video, and that's a way to collaborate with them. So the way to stitch is to click on the share button and down to scroll to stitch and click on stitch. Now you can choose the part of the other person's video you want to choose and click next. After you've done that, you automatically open your camera. So let's record a 3-second video, for example, like this, and after we are done, we can see the preview of our video. We can use the same filters or texts as we use with a normal TikTok video, so it's pretty cool. And after we click on next, it will give us the same options as captions for our video. And after we do that, you can click post, and that's basically it. If you appreciate this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and comment down below for any questions. We'll answer them.